Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your connector while solder it because it's broken, as you can see. Oh look. So to take this off, you just push it in, then pull it while holding that. On this side we took the battery off already, so all you do is, all you're taking off is the negative end. It should be alright. I'll leave it off for a couple of minutes. As you can see, ours is very hard to take off though. So there's a Torx bit on the end. I'll show you that. You need this size one. So you need a 10mm bit, 10mm. I don't know how you can see that. It's a normal 10mm. Why'd you keep pausing it? So this nut will come off, and then this is very hard to get under, so you need a flat screwdriver.
What should we use this for?
I'm going to put it underneath, shimmy it, and keep pushing it and come out eventually. So now the battery is just connected. Now you need a soldering iron. Got the power as well already. Got soldering iron and tin. So this yours? Got the tin. It's a bit big. Hopefully it does the job.
That's very thick.
Where's the soldering iron?
Right, for
There's the soldering iron. It's a cheap one, but it'll do the job. We just got it today, so yeah, hopefully it's alright. Take this off. All we're doing is, I'll show you the tip actually. Come over here. So as you can see, the connectors fully come off the thingy. So there's a wire there still, so that's a good positive for us, because we can put some solder on that end, solder on this end, and then we just put some heat and they should connect like that. And then the brake should start working again. Let's give it a try.
That looks stupid.
Okay, Bilal, stay away, yeah? Putting this on now, yeah?
What?
I'm putting this on, so stay away a bit. It's very hot, Bilal, yeah?
As you heard it here first, very hot.
Okay. Love you, move back a bit.
Oh wait, it's not on.
Do you not plug it in?
No, I plugged it in, I didn't turn it on.
You sure?
Yeah,
How do you know?
because I'm pretty sure I didn't. Anyways guys, so you can come with me on the adventures. We're just gonna switch it on. Obviously, as you can see, it really does go. Oh, it is on. It is on. I forgot, yeah. You can smell it. I can smell it.
I smell it's heating up a bit. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to tin the end of this.
Oh, you really can smell that.
It's heating up in it slowly. It's not hot yet. It'll take a while to heat up, innit? Oh, can you smell that?
I
So
like
this
that
is
smell.
lead free, so that's good. That's not going to fall, is it?
Oh, I miss that smell. Reminds me of high school.
This?
Yeah. DT, innit?
I feel like this ain't even going to melt. It's quite thick, innit?
Is that what it's called? DT?
So this is 3mm. You don't need 3mm. But this is very thick because there was nothing else. So yeah, can you see the smoke there? So as you can see, it's starting to heat up.
As you can see guys, on the camera. On the video, sorry.
Don't actually know how long it takes to heat up. Yeah, it's starting to tin now. Tiny bit. I'm going to let it heat up a bit more.
Okay.
It needs to hit 400 degrees. Not sure how I'm going to do that. You might have to hold the connector or something. Not 200% sure. I should be able to just tin it like that. Hopefully. I'll try it. Just keep that wire separate.
Jump to hold this.
I just need to keep
Got
the
it?
wire separate, yeah. Well, first we need to get some tin on this somehow.
When you are using solder guys, just be very cautious. Obviously it is a, hot equipment.
Very hot, yeah.
Exactly.
I've not used a solder in ages.
And obviously we're not using the proper, type of, what's it called? Well, we're not wearing any gloves, which is a bit stupid, but make sure you are equipped.
Safety glasses,
safe.
just I'm wearing my normal glasses, should be alright.
Yeah.
There
Oh, there you go.
Started heating up now.
Can you see that guys?
So I think we're going to try to get some tin.
As you can see right there.
Okay, so we've got some tin on top. I'm going to put a bit more on. That should be enough. try transfer this onto here. Just tin the top of this.
Just go around this other side for you guys.
It's not going to be a perfect connection, but it should be better than what we had before. Do you think that's on? You look alright?
Yeah. So as you can see there, guys. Sorry, I need a little closer.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, now I'm not sure how I'm going to tin this end. It's going to be quite hard, isn't it? Ooh.
You know what? It's time for Mr. MrWaheedulHaque. I can hold that
I
side for
might
you.
have to cut some of that wire off. I think it'll connect. What do you think?
I think that should be able to connect. Yeah.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I'll hold it there, yeah.
Is there enough metal on that end?
Oh, sorry guys, I need to show you.
Melinda,
Please don't burn me.
is the metal on this end enough?
What do you mean?
1 second. So I'm not doing the best job here, but should be enough to get the job done. We need some more metal, I think. Do you know wire?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Nice.
On. We don't want that to happen. Yeah, I think we need to expose some wire.
There's not sticking otherwise, is it?
Is that on there, you think?
Yeah.
Good. You sure?
Yeah, it is on.
On the way, but yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Now all I'm going to do is heat it up and connect the two together, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to do it. Will you be able to push down properly someone?
Wait, let me
Put
just...
it, yeah, try to line it up. Watch out. You get it?
No.
You get the spots and shit?
I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
Just be very careful.
Be very careful, guys, because
Watch your
obviously...
hands, yeah?
So,
It's
yeah.
very hot here. Very hot. Watch out.
Wait, hold on a sec. No, before you start doing it,
Yeah, line it
let
up.
me make sure that I can connect.
This is very dangerous. Okay, Lab, you're going to hold it
Okay.
from the back, yeah? Hold it
Okay.
more for the back, yeah?
Ready?
Oh, no, I'm just going to try with this first.
Yep.
See if that... push it together.
Yep.
It's going more. There.
Yep.
There.
Yep.
Alright,
There
hold
you
it.
go.
Just
I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
Is there? Hold it. Push it more, a bit more.
There you go.
Okay, hold it.
I'm holding it.
Is that in?
I think so. I'm just holding it for a second while it like cools down really. Shall I go?
Leave it for a few seconds.
Okay. I'll be able to see it better on the camera here. Yeah, that looks like it's connected.
You think?
Yeah, shall I go?
Let go. It's not the best job, but... Oh, no, it's not.
Is it not?
It's come off there. Easy.
You see that, guys?
So I'll try it now. Right.
Just be very careful. Oh. That looks like it's gone into me.
Just need to hold it there. Very hot. Yep, that feels quite strong. Hopefully it's enough to make a connection. So leave it like that. I'll plug this one on.
So let me just show you guys there.
So that's soldered in now.
As you can see, it's nicely connected there. Yeah, that's fully connected, yeah.
That's inside, yeah.
That's a good job.
Pause it. Right, so all we're going to do now is we're going to plug this back in. After a few seconds, we just want to double check it. We should be alright.
Yeah.
And then we're going to plug the battery back on. And then it won't go away straight away unless you have a code reader. You can clear it. Then it should have come back. And then you should be alright. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.